Don't you just love it when you find that piece of scrap wood and it's telling you what to do with it? Check this out. So yeah, this piece of pallet wood was just sitting down there, looking at me, saying, hey, you need to do this with me, this way. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make this piece of wood say, this way. Using my black Sharpie to spell out the words, this way. You know, like, walk this way. We've got this. Now we are on our way with way. This way, marked out in Sharpie. Now we're going to paint it black, mixed with a little bit of pewter. The paint's not coming out through that hole, so we will just dump some out. Now to add a little bit of pewter. Why did I add pewter? Just because I wanted to. I want it painted black. Love that song. I've got this. It's getting there. Ooh, I like it. The board got its way by doing it this way. Ha. Hey, are you still watching? I hope so. Now to distress our finger. And you know what would be cool is for me to make one of these but with the middle finger, because that would come to good use sometimes. You know you need to give that finger. Brush the dust. This is spar urethane, a varnish that is made for wood surfaces that are going to be in the outdoors. I don't know if this piece will be, but what the heck, I'm going to use it. So here it is. I like it. It's fun. It was easy. And the wood got its way, this way. And until next time, Poppin' PJ has something for you. But until then, this way.